Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix enable to check for update on iOS 17. So guys, if you try to check update and it's showing that it's enable to check for update, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open setting first. Let me tell you that you have to go to your Wi-Fi section. From here you have to tap on this I icon, then you have to scroll it down. From here you have to tap on configure proxy. From here you have to make sure that if this is turned off from here, then go back. From here guys, you have to open general. From here you have to make sure that your date and time is correct. If your date and time is not correct, then you won't be able to see the update. And the second thing is guys, you have to scroll it down and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. Tap on VPN and device management. Just simply have to disconnect with VPN, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on general, scroll it down all the way. You have to shut down your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it on again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open settings again. From here guys, you have to turn on aeroplane mode, then just simply have to turn it off after 30 or 40 seconds, and after that hopefully you can get the latest update. And still it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it on, tap on general. From here guys, you have to go to iPhone store, and from here you have to free up some storage on your device. Okay guys, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open settings again. Just simply have to scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting. So after reset network setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using. Just simply have to force restart your device, and after that I'll guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.